Welcome to problem solving on a complex number. Question 1. Express the following in the form r bracket cos theta plus I sin theta, where minus pi less theta less or equal to. Give the exact values of r and theta where possible, or values to 2 decimal places. Okay, and we have those question. The first one is 3 minus 4i. The second one is minus 8 plus 6i. Okay, so let's see solution to this question. The first one, which is this one, the best approach, use the Argand diagram. Okay, this is y, this is what? Plus x. The real part is what? Is 3 to be here. The imaginary part is vertically down, it's minus 4, so it's go down. So that's what this is 4 here. Then this is your origin. The distance from the origin is what? Is your modulus. Then you can indicate your complex number here, which is what? 3, minus 4. So the modulus is what? Use what we call Pythagoras theorem. That will be square root 3 squared plus what? 4 squared. And that will be what? 5. Then the next thing to do is to, don't forget this make angle 90 to the horizontal. The next thing to do is to find the theta, which we call the arc and z, which is equal to, when you're in third quadrant, I've said it's going to be minus what? Minus arctan y or x. And this is equal to what? Minus arctan. My y is what? 4 over what? Okay? So that gives us what? Minus 0.9273 radian. Radian. Okay? So we've gotten all the requirements, and the next thing is to now come back here and substitute all the parameters we've gotten. So, and that will be equal to now my radius, my modulus. And modulus is what? Is 5, okay? And then cos theta is minus 0.9273, then plus I sin minus 0.9273. Cosine of negative angle, that will give you positive, that will be cos 0.9273. And then this one, sine minus this is equal to minus sine theta. So that will be minus this 0.9273. So that finished the first question. The second question, we have this, which is minus 8 plus 6i. Your Argand diagram. The real part, which is minus 8, falls on the negative x-axis, which is what? That will be 8. The y, the vertical part, which is the imaginary part, yeah, it goes, that's we have what? We have 6. Then this is your origin. The distance from the origin is what? It's called the modulus. Okay? That's the modulus. And then this point, that's what? Write your complex number, minus 8, 6. So then this is your alpha. So this 4 in second quadrant. So angle in a straight line is what? 180. So and get our arc. And that will be equal to what? So theta is equal to what? Pi minus what? Arc times what? Arc times y what? Y. So for second quadrant, that's the format. So the modulus is equal to what? Use a Pythagoras theorem. This will be 8 squared plus what? Plus 6 squared. And if you like, you can put minus 8 squared. Same thing. So the choice is yours. And I mean square root minus 8 squared plus what? Plus 6 squared. So this is what? This is 10. Then the arc, the theta, that's a pi minus arctan. Vertical, we have the vertical, that's 6. That's the imaginary part over the real part. So we have 2.498, okay, radian, right? So we've gotten all the necessary parameters. So the next thing to do is to plug in those values. So the modulus is what? 10. So that will be 10. Just come back here, plug in the, want to write in this form. So modulus is 10. Then open your bracket, then cos. My theta is what? 2.498, and then plus I sin 2.498. So that's that on this question. The third one, which is 2 minus this I. So draw your Argand diagram. The real part is here, okay? The imaginary part is minus 3. So that means it's going to be this way. That's what this. Then this is your origin. The distance from the origin is the modulus. And then you indicate the complex number, which is what 2, this. Okay? So let's get the modulus. The modulus is what? 2 squared plus what? Plus minus root 3 squared. So this is the root 7. That's root 7. We have that. Then we can get the theta, which is what? Minus what? Arctan. The vertical, the y, is this, root 3, or what? 2. So this is given us 0.7137. Okay? So this is radian. Okay? So then come back and express in this form. Okay? So we now have, so the answer is what? The modulus is 7. And then open your bracket, cos minus 0.7137, then plus I sine minus 0.7137. Cosine of negative angle will be what? Will be positive. That will be 0.7137. And then this what? This will be minus I sine 0.7137. Note, don't forget that cos minus theta, cosine of minus theta is cos what? Cos theta. And also sine minus the negative theta is what? Minus what? Minus sine theta. So these are the things I use for the work there.